So here what you are seeing is the files. Basically this is used to file the metal sheet, metal strip only. Okay. Here in the cases of splint. So here we used to file the metal sheet and metal strip. So जैसे कि आप अलग अलग टाइप की फाइल्स देख रहे हैं, तो इसमें जैसे क्या होता है, दिस इज अ सेमी सर्कुलर फाइल एज यू कैन सी हियर because it has a half circle, so semicircle file. It is the most versatile file which we use. It is also used to curve the metal piece where we have the curvature, like this kind of hand piece when we use to this area of the metal. So to file this area we use this kind of curve. Also the flat surfaces we can use the flatter area. ठीक है, तो जैसे कि आप ये सब कर्व यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, तो इसमें भी ये जो कर्व आपको दिख रहा था, हियर ऑल्सो वी यूज दिस एरिया टू फाइल. ठीक है. ओके, सो हियर ऑल्सो यू सी दिस इज very this is fine. Okay, and on the other side this is rough, this is rough, this is fine, this is rough, and this is fine. The left over here is rough, the right over here is fine. Smooth file भी बोल सकते हैं आप, ये rough file बोल सकते हैं because of the edges which you see here. अभी इसको जो आप कट बोलेंगे डेट इज़ कॉल्ड डबल कट. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं सिंगल कट जा रहे हैं, उसके साथ डबल ऐड हो गए हैं, तो डबल कट फाइल बोलते हैं. ये भी डबल कट ही है पर स्मूथ है. ओके, दिस इज स्मूथ. बट ऑन द अदर साइड इफ़ यू वांट टू सी द सिंगल कट फाइल, तो यहाँ पे आप सिंगल कट देख सकते हैं कंटिन्यूसली, इसमें कुछ भी डबल कट नहीं है. इसको बस्टर फाइल भी बोलते हैं, फ्लैट फाइल भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, तो ऐसे हमारे पास अलग अलग फाइल है. दिस डिफरेंट साइजेस. स्मूथ वी हैव सर्टेन कैटेगरी, रफ वी हैव सर्टेन कैटेगरी. वी हैव टू सेमी सर्कल फाइल. दिस इज अ सर्कुलर फाइल विच यू सी हियर. This is also used to file through the other curvatures like this. If there is a hole between the metal piece, to file that also we use this kind of file. This is also very nice and good file to file in the curvature in the angular fashion. So for that we use this kind of files here. Over here you see we different kind of hammers. This is a hammer, ball and pin hammer like this. So this is called hammer. The other are not called hammer. This is hammer. Okay. Here sometimes it get loose, so you bang it very so you bang it hardly and then it gets tightened here. Further, this is a mallet. Okay, this is called a mallet, fully made up of wooden because it is a mallet. This is a rubber hammer and this is nylon hammer. As you can see, the surface of hitting is of nylon. We use this three categories: the rubber, the mallet, and the nylon, to shape up, to give the curvature to the metal pieces. And it is always, when you go to give the shape, it is used in a swiping pattern. It is being hit in this swiping pattern, not a banging pattern. But when we want to fix the rivet with the metal, we use this in a banging fashion. First of all, we spread the rivet with the help of this ball area. We spread out the rivet and then we hit it, so it fixes it up. So this is how we use this kind of hammers. On the other side, if you see here, this is aviation metal cutter. Now we have this metal cutter. We can compare with this another metal cutters here. This was before being used. Now it is being used. This one here in the splint room. Over here you can see it has a involuntary opening and voluntary closing. We have to put effort to close it, but to open it we don't have to put the effort. So that's why it is very easily able to cut, and we can cut the metal piece through very nicely like you're cutting through a paper. On the other side, if you use this, it has a both voluntary action like voluntary opening as well as voluntary closing. It won't close itself, it won't open itself. And this is easier to use, this is little difficult to use. Like that we have two of this and many other of this. Further we have, this is another device, but this is not as fruitful as this one. Okay, but this is also a metal cutter, but if you want to give more output, this is the best one for you. This is a wire cutter, we use it to cut the wire. This is as well this one. This is a plier which we call a cutting plier because with this surface as you see here, this is used to cut the rivets and the wire. This also the plier. We also have the category of nose plier as you see here. This is a nose plier. Further we have an adjustable plier, right? For this plier we have to use manual force, manual contact like this. We have to actually hold the thing, then the thing stays in us. But for this, if you don't want to hold the thing, it's okay with us. With this we can adjust the grip of this and it will get tightened. To unlock this we use this key like this. So this is lock, this is unlock. So when I adjust this kind of grip, it holds it very nicely and firmly, any kind of object which comes into the grip of this thing. See, as you can see here, I don't have to grip it to hold this thing. If you can see, I am even holding the plier with the object which I want to hold. So this is how it is done. Further, you have center punch. This is the procedure before to put a hole into the metal. You use this so that you get a proper dip, and from that you can pass through the drill bit the hole. So this is center punch over here. This is a star punch. This is the poker to put the hole through the resin. Resin material, we use this thing, poker, right? This is the poker. And again there is one procedure actually. When you drill a metal, जैसे metal में आप drill करते हो ना तो debris निकलती है, ठीक है. फिर दो मेटल पीसेस को आप कनेक्ट करते हो, दोनों में डेब्रिज रहेंगी. या तो वो डेब्रिज को आप डीबर कर सकते हैं बड़ा ड्रिल बिट यूज़ करके. और क्या होता है, जब दो मेटल यूज़ करते हैं साथ में अंदर हम ड्रिल बिट डालते हैं तो थोड़ी जगह रह जाती है. तो उस जगह को भरने के लिए ये होल पंच हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो जैसे रिवेट डालते हैं, ये रिवेट के थ्रू पास होता है, हम एक बार हिट करते हैं और जगह बैठ जाती है, फिर अच्छे से फिटिंग हो जाता है. तो ये उसके हिसाब से इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. थोड़ी थोड़ी सीजर्स आप देख सकते हैं, ये वाली सीजर्स हैं, ये सब हम यूज़ करते हैं. इससे हम प्लास्टिक भी काट सकते हैं. दूसरी जगह आप जो इसमें देख सकते हो, हाँ, इसमें चीज़ल भी है जो आप देख सकते हैं. ये चीज़ल है हमारे पास, चीज़ल का भी हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं. दिस इज़ द केसेस ऑफ rivets which we have different kind of rivets here to fix the things. Okay, so these are the rivets which you see here. These are the button rivets which you see. Okay, the button rivets is not always one, it is always two. This both mixes and makes one button rivet. Okay, this is a female part, this is a male part. So this is the button rivet for us, right? तो जैसे भी ये जनरली हम लोग मेटल से सॉफ्ट मटेरियल, मेटल इज़ हार्ड मटेरियल, सॉफ्ट मटेरियल इज लाइक योर स्ट्रैप्स, योर वेलक्रो, कॉटन टेप, एनी ऑफ दिस थिंग. अगर आप इसको अटैच करना चाहते हैं मेटल से तो हम ये रिवेट्स का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. दूसरा, अगर खाली सॉफ्ट टू सॉफ्ट कनेक्ट करना है तो भी ये यूज़ करते हैं. मेटल टू मेटल कॉन्टैक्ट में हम इसको इस्तेमाल नहीं करते. ठीक है, तो पहले जो भी मटेरियल हमको अटैच करना है सब एकदम फिक्स करके हम ये मेल पार्ट डालते हैं, फिर उसके ऊपर ऐसे फीमेल रखिए, देन वी जस्ट hit with the metal and you get this. Generally it's not a big thing, you always use this in your jeans. इन जीन्स के अंदर आपके जो भी बटन होते हैं वो सारे बटन रिवेट वाले होते हैं. ठीक है, तो ये एक बात हो जाती है. दूसरा, you see here these are rivets which are used to connect metal to metal. ये मेटल टू मेटल कनेक्ट करने वाली एल्यूमिनियम रिवेट्स हैं. ये स्मॉल साइज़ हैं. स्मॉल साइज़ मतलब ये जो इसका पार्ट है, एलिवेशन पार्ट, यो ऐसा है. इसका बड़ा भी मतलब ये 1/2 इंच, 1 इंच, 3/4 इंच में आते हैं. 1 इंच लंबा भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपकी इधर हो जाती हैं. देन यू हैव डी रिंग्स ऑल्सो. सो डी रिंग्स ऑल्सो आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट part. These rings are called D rings and it is oval shape, D shape, so it is called D ring or oval ring also. इसको हम थोड़ा मॉडिफाई करके हम ऐसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं. हम ऐसे लूप्स बनाते हैं ताकि हम लोग स्क्रीन्स में इस्तेमाल कर सकें. दिस इज़ हाउ वी यूज़ दिस. That's how we use these metal pieces and for our performance. Further, so this is how the things are. For these tools and materials which we use, we have scale. Again, use of scale you know very well. This for the measurement and all. We use the metal strips also, and we use certain rubber bands as well, so that हमको एक्सटेंस आउट ट्रिगर स्प्रिंट या ऐसी कोई आउट ट्रिगर स्प्रिंट है उसमें हम इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं.